Hey, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial truck sales, service, and secure truck parking. Are you needing a Freightliner? How about this 2021 with 179,000 miles on it right there? We have this 2022 173 on the miles. Here's a, well, that's an international. We'll go over that in another video. Here's a 2018. It has 173 on the miles, liftgate and a ramp. I'll show you that in a second. And check out these Chariot shredders. This is awesome right here. Yeah, check that out right there. A liftgate plus a ramp. You never see that. I love it. Now these trucks have been serviced. They've been inspected. They're ready to hit the road. Keep in mind, we have very competitive financing available. We have nationwide delivery available. We have 3-year, 200,000 mile warranties available. Let me know whatever I can do to help you. Now, a little quick something about me. My favorite color is green, if you can't tell, literally and figuratively. Literally, why? Because the better you do, the better I do. My job is to help you make money. That's all it is. It's that simple. Well, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.